Hello, excuse me, भाई साहब मुझे how are you sir? Sir, I'm right.
सिक्योरिटी गार्ड भाई ओ बिल्डर अमित जी क्या कर रही हैं अरे सिक्योरिटी आप चार्ज हो ना
Ask.
So, what would you want to say today for the film, which is so beautifully made, and for the premiere, Mr.
All credit to Mr. Vinod Chopra for putting up such a wonderful film, and look at the ambience that he's taken the pains for. It just brings Indian cinema onto a different platform and what it really deserves. And I'm really grateful and feel very happy today for Vidhu Vinod Chopra.
He's literally created the sets of Jaisalmer again today for
Yes.
the premiere. What would you want to say for such a grand premiere like
Give me a chance to have a look at it. It's really beautiful, and for somebody to take so much pains to put things together for a premiere is really, really very heartwarming.
अमित जी आपका किरदार कुछ बताइए किरदार के बारे में
अभी समय नहीं है किरदार के बारे में.
Please, Mr. 2 minutes.
The Royal Guard. I'm the Royal Guard of the
That
family.
we've been seeing him in the trailer, something
Yeah.
more than that.
But that's it. You have to see the film.
Some
right.
anecdotes that you remember during the film, sir.
It's not the time for it. I'll have to go back there.
अरे सिक्योरिटी तुम तो हट जाओ अंदर तो जगह छोड़ दो अरे अमरनाथ जी आप कहाँ अमर सिंह